Okay, you can breathe. Okay, and you will listen. Laptop, 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 yeah? Tachycardia is present, okay? Then, where? Second intercostal space near the right atrial system. Laptop, 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 you will listen. Could you hold your breath? Okay, you can breathe. What is the next dot?
The second intercostal space, the left side of the sternum.
Laptop, laptop, laptop. Could you hold your breath? Okay, you can continue. Okay, for us it's very important to compare loudness of sound 2 on right and left side. You see, it should be louder in comparison with sound 1, but if you compare right and left side, loudness of sound 1 should be the same. If we find that loudness of sound 2 is another, we can consider that it's accentuated or diminished. Okay? If you cannot from first time analyze it, you can move back above aorta, then above pulmonary valve again. Okay, here sound 2 is slightly louder in comparison with aortic valve. No, in young people it can be because this valve is closer to chest in young people within chest. Okay. Так, next is basis of processus xiphoideus. It's here connection of processus xiphoideus to sternum border. Yeah. You see, if it's impossible to place your stethoscope close to chest, like here, you can shift it aside to right to the left side. Okay, because it should be normal connection with all the surface. Could you hold your breath? Okay, you can continue. No, and we have one more dot.
Burkini.
Could you hold your breath? Okay. If patient, sometimes it can be the patient has a lot of hair on his chest, and this hair can make additional sounds, crackles. Sometimes doctor can ask to wet with water or with some other solution this surface to auscultate it, but it's rather seldom. Okay, but it can be in practice. And what should we do? We auscultate 5 dots. These are the minimal number of dots for heart auscultation. If your patient, you assume that he has any murmurs, we can ask patient to auscultate all other dots. What does it mean? For example, I find systolic murmur in his apex, for example, yeah? Then, no, you can use membrane, but you can auscultate other dots. You can auscultate axillary area. Yeah, you can auscultate all the heart area independently of these 5 dots. And make conclusion, for example, the systolic murmur is located in apex and irradiate into axillary area. If it's mitral regurgitation, for example. And in other situation, if it's aortic valve, it can move on arteria carotis. In this situation, you can auscultate arteria carotis. Okay, but not squeeze it, yeah, rather soft position of stethoscope. Okay, is it clear? Yes. And finally, your conclusion will be that heart beats regular or irregular, loudness of sound 1 is normal, it's louder on apex, yeah, on basis of the heart. Loudness of sound 2 is louder, and like here, sound 2 is louder, accentuated above pulmonary valve. Okay, так, is it clear? What questions? Now you have 5 minutes. You should address 2-3 students and compare, auscultate each of these students, and you will see that healthy people have different loudness of heartbeat. Okay, your task not only place stethoscope in these accurate dots, but try to listen and try